वेलकम टू स्मिता ठाकरे एकेडमी। आज के सेशन में हम देखने वाले हैं सेक्रेटरियल प्रैक्टिस स्टैंडर्ड 12th चैप्टर नंबर 1 इंट्रोडक्शन टू कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंस एक्सरसाइज के कुछ क्वेश्चंस। Question number 1A, select the correct answer from the option given below and rewrite the statement. First one, the dash is related to the money and money management. Answer is finance. Second one, finance is the management of dash affairs of the company. Answer is monetary affairs of the company. Third one, corporation finance dealt with acquisition and the use of dash by business corporation. The answer is capital. And the fourth one, company has to pay dash to government. Answer is taxes. Fifth one, dash is related to the kind of fixed asset. The answer is fixed capital. Sixth one, dash refers to the excess of current asset over the current liability. The answer is working capital. Seventh one, manufacturing industry has to invest a dash amount of fund to acquire fixed asset. Answer is huge. Eighth one, when the population is increasing at high rate, certain manufacturers find this as an opportunity to dash business. Answer is expand business. Ninth one, the sum of all dash is gross working capital. The answer is current asset. And 10th one, dash means a mixture of or mix up of various sources of fund in desired proportion. The answer is capital structure. Now the B1, match the pair. Group A and Group B is given. First one is capital budgeting. The correct answer is investment decision. Second one, fixed capital. Answer is fixed asset. Third one, working capital, sum of current assets. Capital structure. Answer is mix up of various sources of fund. Corporate finance. Answer is deals with acquisition and use of capital. C1, write a word or a term or a phrase which can substitute each of the following statement. First one is a key determinant of success of any business function. Answer is finance. Second one, the decision of finance manager which ensure that a firm is well capitalized. Answer is financing decision. Third one, the decision of a finance manager to develop the fund in systematic manner. Answer is investment decision. Fourth one, capital needed to acquire a fixed asset which are used for longer period of time. Answer is fixed capital. Fifth one, the sum of current asset. Answer is working capital. Sixth one, the excess of current asset over the current liability. Answer is working capital. Seventh one, the process of converting the raw material into finished goods. Answer is production cycle. And eighth one, the boom and recession cycle in the economy. Answer is business cycle. Ninth one, the ratio of different sources of fund in the total capital. Answer is capital structure. 10th one and last, the internal source of financing. Answer is retained earnings. D1, state whether the following statements are true or false. First one, finance is related to the money and money matters. True. Second one, business firm gives a green signal to the project only when it is profitable. Answer is true. Third one, corporate finance brings a coordination between the various business activity. True. Fourth one, fixed capital is also referred as circulating capital. False. Working capital stays in the business only permanently. False. Sixth one, the business will require huge fund if assets are acquired on lease basis. Answer is false. Seventh one, the business dealing in luxurious product will require a huge amount of working capital. Answer is true. Eighth one, a firm with large scale operation will require more working capital. Answer is true. Ninth one, liberal credit policy creates a problem of bad debts. True. And last one, financial institution and the bank caters to the working capital requirement of businesses. Answer is true. Now even find the odd one. First one, land and building, plant and machinery and cash. The odd one is cash. Second one, debenture capital, equity share capital, preference share capital. The odd one is debenture capital. Third one, fixed capital, capital structure and working capital. The odd one is capital structure. Now F1, complete the sentence. First one we are going to see, initial planning of capital requirement is made by. Answer is finance manager. Second one, when there is a boom in economy, the sale will increase. Third one, the process of converting the raw material into finished goods is called as a production cycle. And the fourth and the last, during recession the period, the sale will decrease. G1, select the correct option from the bracket. Group A and Group B is given. First one, financing decision. Answer is to have right amount of capital. Second one, longer period of time. The answer is fixed capital. Third one, investment decision. The answer is develop the fund in systematic manner. Then fourth one, circulating capital. Answer is working capital. And the last one, combination of various sources of fund. Answer is capital structure. I1, correct the underlined words or rewrite the following sentence. First one is, the finance is needed to pay the dividend to debenture holder. The correct answer is interest, to pay the interest to debenture holder. Second one, when there is a recession in economy, the sale will increase. The correct answer is boom. Third one, shares is an acknowledgement of loan raised by company. The answer is debenture. Debenture is an acknowledgement of a loan raised by company. Fourth and last, equity shares carry dividend at fixed rate. Correct answer is preference shares carries dividend at fixed rate. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 से लेकर क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया है क्योंकि वी ऑलरेडी हैव द वीडियोज़ ऑफ part 1, part 2 and part 3 which contains the detailed information and explanation of the topic. Please do refer to the video part 1, part 2, part 3 for the theoretical answers are concerned. Thanks a lot and keep watching.